gluing linings with springs. This is a technique that I have learned from my grandfather. So, hello everybody, good morning. My name is Sofia Vettori. I make violin since I was 17 years old, and I'm here today to show you the technique that my grandfather taught my father that taught me. So, you will be in the next generation, and let's do that together. But this video today will be a little bit like, how do you say, something that goes backward. So I'm gonna show you the trick that I do to remove all the springs so that they are ready to be used for the second line of linings. So let's do that together. So I like to keep my form like that, and I like to remove all the springs and place them close to the side where they will go. So this way, when I will do the second part of the linings, I already have the springs prepared to go at the right spot, because as you can see, springs have different colors and things. So thanks to my assistant Thomas that helped me, we made these springs that are different length, because here there is less space than, let's say, up here. So to be sure that the linings have the same tension and are clamped very well all around, we have different type of length of springs. So instead of trying to find them at the spot, I just put them here like that. So then when I will do the second part of the linings, I already have them all prepared. So that would be super easy. And I want to show you something that I did this time. Instead of using a piece of linoleum or a fabric here to prevent to have all these, how do you say, dents, these holes in my linings, then I had the second pair of linings to protect the linings. So this way, this one I have the hole, but the proper lining, it's perfect. It still has something, but this is just minor, so it will go away while I will work on the lining. So this can tell you how strong are these springs. And my grandfather was using at the beginning the springs from a mattress. So yeah, so that's how they had springs during World War II. So another idea that I'm doing, and I forgot, is when you remove spring, instead of like pulling them from here, that you give an extra kink, we can pull in them from the inside, so we don't give an extra kink. So we can do also like backward like that. Actually, I should have to do that. I should have done that at the beginning. So I hope you arrive at this part of the video. So I'm not teaching you wrong. Here we go. I will use this one for next instruments. Okay, maybe this is a little bit glue here. Oh, it came out. Good. So let's then do like that. See when you see, I will put those here, so we'll have them for when I will be ready to glue the second part. So this way, if I'm pulling this way, I will give the extra kink on the outside of the form. So don't do like I was doing at the beginning. Do like I'm doing now. And here we go. Good. Maybe I need a bigger bench. Yeah. I definitely need a bigger bench. Oh, yes. Okay. So today I'm working with my Crocs. Actually, these are my son Crocs that he grew up, so they don't fit him anymore. And I'm being like parent. You know what parents do? They use the leftover clothes for the children, from the children. So yeah, I'm at that stage in my life. Do I feel old? A bit. All right. Here we go. So this is another one. I'm gonna put it here, so we'll use for the second side. The best springs that you want to buy, I found them also on Cremona Tools, but they were this one, and I had to cut them and resaw them because these are more for people that make frames for the corners, so are not the best. The best, I found them at Morassi in Cremona. They sell really those ones. Those are really the one that we want to use for violin making. All right, here we go. I will remove also. So to prevent that the external lining will glue to the real lining, add some soap. If you add some soap here, you'll be sure that they will not stick together. If not, you have double linings violin. Awesome. Bibi's there. She is sleeping. She's always with me, the chief of happiness of the team. We have new aprons, so we're really excited also to go to the VSA in less than 1 week. And this violin will be called Soffione, like the flower of the dandelion, the one that there are all the seeds and you blow. And when I was in Italy, it was the best flower you can find. I mean, in the US, it's like the devil. So here I have a lot of them in the garden, but I know that like people are scared, and we were blowing seeds everywhere in Italy, like the best thing you could do in springtime. So these are done. So what I will do, I will just turn this one like that. My linings are almost ready here. Just have to finish to do the sieve out, and I already have all the springs ready. This will be for this part. This will be for this part. This will be for this part, and everything. So it will be very easy to do the second round. But I'm not doing that now with you because I want first to make this flat again and check the thickness. So because this is the French form, so as you remember, I do both of the lining for the French form, then I will put an inside form. You will see that tomorrow or maybe tonight. So I want to be sure that the thickness of my rib is final, and the number that I want to reach are 29 and 30. So yeah, now I'm going to go on the sanding board. That it's there. I need to turn this one. So this is my sanding board. I need to turn this one and start sanding. Let me see if I can. It's pretty heavy. Okay. This is very heavy. And this is a little bit consumed, so I'm gonna make another one. All right. So I will not really do it. My husband will do it. So I will film while he will prepare a new sanding board. It is his task. Okay, let's do this for a second together. So I always like to make it like that. And what I need to do now, I need to sand this one. First, I will make flat this part here, and then I will push the rib outside a little bit like that. And then I will work on this other side until I reach the thickness. All right, but this will be for another video. So hope you enjoy staying here with me, with Bibi, with the springs, and we'll see you at the next video. And watch this video here if you want to see how do I do this task specifically. Bye bye, ciao ciao.